My name's Nick Harvey. I come from London. I went to Burma 2018 with Better Moments, and it was fantastic. It ticked all the boxes as far as travel, seeing things I'd never seen before. Better Moments organised going to the sort of places I wanted to go to anyway, and I was just buzzing every day, taking pictures, thinking about photography. Really good fun, yeah, great. And this trip has been Indochina, same sort of thing. We've gone to great places. We've had the chance to take pictures, be with like-minded individuals, and it's been, yeah, pretty good. Well, I slightly think selfish actually, because I know that my wife would hate to be here, because I'm just so enjoying the photography and I can concentrate on it, and I don't have this in my normal life, so for quite a long time I can really think about it, and it's, whilst it's a lot of hard work, I'm not sure that answers the question at all, but that's what I feel. It's great. I've had quite a few shots like that. You can probably see I'm shooting this little Leica, which is great for quick, discreet reportage, and it's and I've got some really nice pictures of working very closely with people, and yeah, some of them, and I know I've got quite a few absolute cracking pictures which make me feel really good, and that's what it's all about, largely speaking, for me.